The weather outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. And since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. It doesn't show signs of stopping, and I brought some corn for popping.
Oh, I just woke up from a nap, so I'm like so tired, but wow. Also, I just woke up to this. It's snowing. There's like snow on the ground, which is super festive because today's vlog is going to be a Christmas decorating vlog, well, or just like a Christmas vlog in general. Wow, I'm so tired. I'm gonna need a really big caffeine kick like super soon. In like 45 minutes? I don't know what time it is. 4:41. So I actually need to leave in like 30 minutes to head to the Eaton Center. Larissa and I are meeting up there. She's leaving from work and we're actually gonna go watch them light up the Christmas tree in the mall. And I was invited by Starbucks, so we're gonna go, and I'm hoping or praying that we get Starbucks, but if not, I might just have to pick up a latte from Starbucks on the way because I'm struggling. This whole like getting dark super early and like staying dark late in the morning. Oh my gosh. It's still affecting me. Plus, I feel like I still haven't fully caught up from my sleep in London, so I've been a hot mess. I literally just turned on the heated blanket and just napped with this little creature. It's like so hard to wake up when it's this cozy. That was weird. Subliminal messaging from the universe not to give back into my bed. So after the Christmas lighting, we're actually gonna come back here and put up our own Christmas tree tonight because we've pretty much just been like waiting to do so because I was away in London. I don't know if we're gonna have time to decorate the tree, but we're gonna definitely try. So without further ado, let the Christmas festivities begin.
Like you a lot. We'll meet up on your smoke break. Put our back on the bricks. I like you a lot. We'll talk all of your heartbreak. How your life's gone to shit, but you never let me help you let it go. You never let me love you, even though I know your best friend's laying with your last boyfriend. Your mom's out drinking with your dad's best man. I won't start acting like I understand.
You ready to go for a walk? So it's actually now Friday. We didn't end up putting up our Christmas stuff last night. Not in the mood. Not in the mood. It was not the mood last night. We wanted to be extra jolly and energetic. We're actually gonna put up our tree this afternoon and we're gonna grab some decorations and stuff, but we both have a lot of work to do. We're gonna head to this place in Toronto called Love Child. Yeah, wine, hotties, and lots of work to do. Got a purple lip, got a red lip. We're ready to rock. I'm excited to put up our Christmas stuff and get rid of all of the Halloween stuff. It's like, yeah, our rotting pumpkins. I'll do a little cutaway.
Like it actually died away. That's very symbolic.
We have just come up with so many great collaborative ideas. Those will be the balloons that pop for us. Just excuse this dude on the phone. He can be part of the dream too because he's kind of beautiful. And so it was written. Should we fist bump?
Ignore it. I say fuck it, cause I like you a lot. Heartbreak, people tell her avoid it. I say fuck it, cause I like you a lot. Heartache, people tell her.
These are actually really gross.
I like you a lot. Heartbreak, people tell her avoid it. I say fuck it, cause I like you a lot. Yeah, I like you. Yeah, I like you a lot.
Christmas blood.
Yeah, I like you. Yeah, I like you.
Smells so good.
I can hear your heart close off by the nightstand. Tuesday on the duvet. Dive bar city drinks up all night. First time, baby, that I felt this right.
We all been together.
Sukata.
Jolly Christmas. How much pizza do you think I need? Cheers. That's dangerous.
That's like mine. Yeah. Yeah, I miss it.
See all the red lipstick still.
Oh yeah, I didn't wash mine. Okay.
Oh, he's smiling.
Never met a girl take that from me. Closing the blinds, you're closing your eyes. And you break through the silence. I can hear your heart when we turn the
Look at it. How are you doing? Sit. Good boy. So cute. I love that we still have a touch of witchy.
It's just witches in the winter.
Sorry. Got distracted. Are you gonna get a copyright strike for this music?
Oh, I hope not. We should burn this. That's really cute.
talking to me like.
Cut the audio out.
It's a big tree.
It's a big boy. It's a big boy. Damn.
Rug burns from the carpet floor. Staring up at the chandelier. Trying to figure out how I landed here.
Okay, it looks cute everywhere. Like when we come down the stairs.
Out of my mind.
This is so cute. Look at his. Oh, that B-roll. Yeah, that's definitely the spot.
When we turn the lights low, I can hear your heart. It's talking to me like. I can hear your heart. All the pressure echoes. I can hear your heart. It's talking to me like.
Actually, adorable.
What's up? So happy that's candy cane season. I can't stop eating these little mini candy canes. Keep melting them in my coffee too. Game changer. It turned into like a full-on weekend vlog, so you guys got to see all the Christmas happenings that went on. Being able to take my time to enjoy just the holidays and like getting into a festive mood while also, you know, taking my time to re-upload things and get ahead of schedule so that once videos were back up, or now that they are back up, that I'm like ahead of the game. Just this weekend in particular, my stress levels and my anxiety levels are starting to like decline, and I just feel really excited to just get festive AF. And fit AF, honestly. I hope you guys enjoyed today's Christmas vlog and that it made you feel a little festive. Let me know down below. Do you guys already have your Christmas trees up yet? I'll see all of you guys in my next vlog, and I'll talk to you guys all later. Bye, guys.
Talking to me like.